This video introduces the unboxing,
power on and operation process of FR3-C and FR5-C. When unboxing the FR3-C and FR5-C, the quality inspection report can be seen first. Next comes the robot body, user wiring harness, fixing screws. FR3-C and FR5-C do not include controller. Taking FR5-C as an example, we will demonstrate the power on and operation process. Take out the robot body. The user wiring harness consists of 3 cables and a plug, 1 DC power cable, 1 Ethernet cable, and 1 I/O signal cable. First, connect the female connector of the M12 L-shaped 5-pin power cable to the base. There are 5 wire labels at the tail end: 40 HVTB, 0V, 24, 0V and PE. Connect the 3 wires 48V, 0V, PE to the corresponding terminals of the user power supply. Insulate the 24V, 0V wires without connecting them. Next is the Ethernet cable. Connect the male connector of the M8 type 4-pin cable to the corresponding terminal on the base. Connect the other end to the computer. The last one is the I/O signal cable. If I/O signals are required, simply connect it to the interface at the bottom right. This operation will not be demonstrated in this video. The wiring connection is completed. Check whether all wiring connections are correct. Turn on the user power supply, and the robot will power on by default. After power on, the RGB indicator light at the end flashes in cycle since the robot is not activated. Next, open your PC network Internet settings interface. Select Ethernet, change adapter option. Select the connected Ethernet. Right-click its properties. Select IPv4 modification. Change to 192.168.58.x. The last digit cannot be 2. Subnet mask to 55.255.255.0. Click to confirm and save. Open the browser and enter the website address 192.168.58.2 to access the web app. Activation code is required for the first power on, which can be found on the quality inspection report. After successful activation, power off and restart. RGB indicator light at the end changes from cycling mode to steady green light mode. Re-enter the URL to access the web app. Enter the account admin and password 123. Log in to use the robot normally. That concludes the unboxing tutorial for FR3-C and FR5-C. Thank you for watching.